Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the proven ground Velcro roll-up tonneau cover designed for the 2024 and newer Tacomas. This cover offers a slick, low-profile design that enhances your truck's appearance while providing secure, weather-resistant protection for your cargo. This Velcro roll-up tonneau cover features this nice roll-up, easy-to-use design, allowing for easy access to your truck bed. The Velcro fastening system around the edges ensures a secure closure, keeping your cargo protected from the elements. Its low-profile design not only improves aerodynamics, but also adds a modern touch to your vehicle's overall look. Also, the cover includes adjustable tension control system, allowing you to maintain a tight fit regardless of temperature fluctuations. This combination of functionality and style makes it an excellent option for Tacoma owners looking for both practicality and aesthetic appeal while protecting the cargo that's in the bed of the truck. This is going to be constructed from weather-resistant leather-grained vinyl, and this Velcro roll-up tonneau cover is built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring your cargo remains protected. The cover is supported by heavy-duty aluminum frame rails, providing durability and structural integrity. This robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable option for your Tacoma. As far as the pricing goes, this is coming in right around that mid $200 price range. This investment offers a balance of style, security, and functionality for your truck bed. Installation is super straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 1 hour of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and the supplied Allen wrench. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a tonneau cover on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we've got our rail up here and we're going to get our clamp set up into the rail itself. It's a lot easier to do before we put this in. So your clamps are labeled for rear, middle, and front. The rear section is going to be the side with the latch facing towards your tailgate itself. What we're going to do is slide this in at the front side of our rail. That little nut plate on the back is going to go into the rail portion. Then for the rear one specifically, we're going to slide it over to this cutout on the rail. So we're going to get our rear clamp all the way to this cutout section of our rail. I'm just going to work that in and flip that over. Bring that all the way to the end of the cutout. Next, we're going to slide in our middle clamp. Now these are much easier than the rear one. They have a lot more spacing. You can actually just go straight in how they're supposed to be. Once you get that in, slide that one on. Then we'll do the same thing for our front clamp. And once we have all of our clamps on, we're going to set our rail onto the bed of the truck. Now we're going to get our nut plates for the bottom half of our clamp into our cargo rails. So we're going to need to remove this rear cover. So for that, you just push it in and pop it out of the way. Then the arched side is going to go in like so, and you just want to slide these down. We're going to put one in for each clamp, so that'll be 3 on each side. They don't have to line up just yet or anything. We'll just get them into place. Once we have those in, we'll reinstall our cover. Now once you've reached this point, you can do the same thing for the other side. Now we're going to install our cover onto our bulkhead of our bed. Now you want the weather strip seal to land on that bulkhead. Set this in place. You also want to make sure it's as even as possible. Then we're going to get our rails into our main rail for our cover. So now we're going to connect our 2 rails together. So we're going to line this locator up with our slot on our rail. Get this in. Make sure that goes flush like so. Then we're going to tighten down this set screw with our Phillips head screwdriver. Then we can do the same thing for the other side. So now we're going to get our clamps themselves in place. So you want to make sure that nut plate installed into the cargo rail is lined up with your clamp. And we're going to get our supplied Allen head bolt with lock washer and flat washer through. And once you have these hand tight, you can do the same thing for the rest of your clamps. So for your basic adjustment, you want to come to the end of your rails, and right where the indent for where your tailgate's going to land, you want to make sure the inside of this silver piece is pretty much flush with it on both sides. And again, that your rails are even on both ends. Then we'll tighten our clamps down and roll our cover out. So now we'll tighten down our clamps with our provided Allen wrench. These are also going to pull it even with the bed rail. And once you've got this first one tight, you can do the same thing for the rest. Now we can unroll our cover. Make sure this is coming out evenly, landing on your rails. Do some packing in there. You can discard that. And what we're going to do is line up our locking dowels with the tabs on our rails. So once you get your dowels lined up, bring your cover down, lock it into place, close your tailgate. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our proven ground Velcro roll-up tonneau cover for your 24 current Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.